There's nothing worse than being hot outside camping alone. So why do you have to be alone when you could bring your #1 fan right here? This is a great camping fan, awesome camping fan, because it's a 20,000 milliamp hours, which means you're gonna get a lot of fan time running off of this. It has your basic functionality of a fan. It has 4 different speeds. It has a low, medium, and high on the light right here, and you can angle it any which way you want the angle to show up. It gives you a digital display right here, so you know how much battery life you have, and we're rocking about 49%. Or you can plug it in with a USB-C right here, and it's gonna input about 7 watts to charge. So from 0, 20,000, 7 watts, it's gonna roughly be about 6 hours to charge this up from 0 to full. So you're roughly getting in that. But the best part about this fan is that the light comes in here. You can hook it up here, have light when it's at nighttime, and cool it down. Believe me, you can see this humidity right here. Oh my gosh, I am just drenched in humidity, and this fan actually cools me down, at least gets me dry, which drops it about 10 degrees in here. It is crazy how awesome that fan just feels, just blowing on you. So the next time you go camping, don't get the Warmco confused with this is definitely a cool you down fan.